Hi, this is my son Xavier. He's having fun playing with his new racing car, RC. Look at that.
You kept editing.
Uh-oh. That is so awesome. Backward. Okay. Wow, this is so awesome. You like it?
Yes.
You want to buy more? Oh wow, look at that. It looks like grave diggers. Speed hunger.
But I got the blue one. Yeah, you want to see the color of it?
Oh, you can change the color?
You can.
Maybe tomorrow we can charge all the RCs.
Let's try it outside.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, go clean it outside.
Not right now. It's already night.
But we can see this blue.